Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my simple makeup without all of the contour. I am using Fit Me makeup number 335. This is the makeup I usually use in the winter time when my tan is gone, so it's a little bit light right now, but it still fits me, you know. Once I get it all in there, it evens out pretty cool. Um, I like this makeup a lot because it's like once it sets and it sets really nice. So if you ladies are thinking about trying any Fit Me makeup, I would highly suggest it. I really like it. It's really, really, really smooth. You got this shit knocking. So now I'm about to go in with my blush. I'm using a new pad. And I'm going in with my blush. I usually use a brush to do my blush, but my baby Zaria, look how terrible that looked at first. It's just so bad. But yeah, my daughter, she put my lipstick on my favorite brush. So I don't want to use any other brushes. So I just want to use this other pad. But it's gonna be cute, guys, trust me. It looks a little rough right now, but it turns out pretty cool. Now I'm just going back in and going to try to clean that up a little bit because it was pretty hard doing my blush with the sponge. But it's cute. I like that blush. It's really pretty. I never used that one before, actually. I bought it from my best friend. She's actually a little darker tone than me. I know it would be very pretty on her. And I like it on me too, so. Best friend, you watch this, I'm taking your blush. It's mine now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's really cute. Okay guys, this is my final look. Tell me how you like it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.